Howdy everybody, Fidgetum here. Today I have one of these all brass American padlocks, set US stamped on the back. It's a 5-pin core. This is the bitting. I've not picked this one open yet, so we'll see. The bittings got some highs and lows to it, so we'll see how well that goes. And I have a new vise, which I'm looking forward to trying out, because my old vise wouldn't clamp onto any of my new tables, so I had to buy a new one. But that's okay, because this one has rubber jaws, so I can actually clamp onto things without worrying about messing up the surface finish. Alright, so thick ass pry bar, top of the key bay, Peterson Gem, 18 thou. There we go. Alright. Click out of 3. And I think I just dropped it. Click out of 3, 2, click out of 1. Tiny click out of 5. Click out of 4. Oh, and I just dropped something. 2 and 1. This is a little bit harder than most Americans. Alright, I'm down for this. Let's try again. Click out of 1. Another little bit of movement out of 1. Got a 3. I think this one might be all serrated pins. And I just dropped a whole bunch of stuff. What the hell? Okay, that's an open. Not the open I was expecting, but you know what? An open's an open. I'll take it. This is a key retaining lock, for the record. So that's just, in my experience, it's best if you have the key to take these apart with the key in. All right. Okay. Camera readjusted. Right there. And ooh, tight screw. Not been taken out before. There we go. Ooh, it's got something stamped on it. I've never seen that before. Oh, very greasy. Ooh, very, very greasy. Brand new lock, I guess. Ugh. There we go. C-clip removed. Now I've got a new follower, so let's see if it works. Oh, that's gonna need a shim. Hold on. Here we go. Gonna need a shim to bridge that gap for sure. Oh, there are master wafers in this one. Oh boy. Very thin master wafers. Alright. Interesting. That might be why it felt so weird. But the new follower from Sparrows works quite nicely. Very happy with that. But yeah, that's... Yeah, okay. So we'll see how that goes. Pin 1. 2 had a master wafer in it. 3 had a master wafer in it. I can't take, another master wafer, very thin one. I can't take these master wafers out because they're required for the key to work. Well, I mean, I could if I didn't want the key to work, but I want the key to work, so, you know. We're just going to have to do it that way. But, fuck. I didn't feel any spools in there. I keep dropping this pin everywhere. I didn't feel any spools, so I'm thinking they're all going to be serrated. Look at that pin, though. That is a very, very nicely cut pin. I feel like that looks a little nicer than usual, actually. So we've still got serrated key pins, even, well, when possible. Some of them are a little too short. All right, let's look at what's in the Bible. I'm guessing all serrated pins. All right, now these master wafers can go because they are not required for the key to work. So I'm going to discard those. So I'm going to take those out. Yep, all serrated. My tweezers don't work because the pins are too small. Go, standard spring. This one looks like it did not have any master wafers, and again, was serrated. I have the second one of these. I'm kind of curious to see if it's all serrated as well. The serrated pins definitely... Oh, fuck. Gave me a run for my money. Where did you go, little guy? Where did you go? Oh, fuck. Ah, there it is. Thank God. Whew. That would have been a pain in the ass. What the hell are you? I have not seen that before. What the fuck is this? Is that like an anti-pump pin or? I guess it's a T-pin. Maybe that's why it was so hard for me to pick this. The little T-pin that I wasn't expecting. Huh, I've never seen a T-pin in American lock. Was that... Because I might not have stayed for the gutting of the other ones of these that I watched other guys do, because I expected it to be a standard American core. Okay, so it looks like there was one spool. And what looks like either like a T-pin kind of a deal, and it looks like it's made of steel. Weird that it's all the way in position 4. If it's supposed to be an anti-drill feature, you'd think it'd be up in the front. I don't see anything weird about the Bible. Nothing weird about the core. All standard American stuff. The only thing that's weird is that it actually has BBG-4 stamped in it, which isn't normal. And that this is a key retaining lock. Oh, it does have anti-bypass wafers, though. I don't think you actually need those on the key retaining versions, though. Because there's... Looks like it actually has two... No, it's just the one. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure you can't bypass the key retaining versions, but whatever. We'll put that back. Oh wait, actually, if you want to see the actuator, that's what the key retaining actuator looks like. I am not going to take that any more apart because my history with taking apart American locks is not great. And I don't feel like machining a new actuator, so we're going to leave that alone. A couple of master wafers, I can take one of them out, but the other ones have to stay for the key to work. Anyway, that's all for this right now. I'll put this back together off camera. What a weird pin. Let's pull up the, well, actually, here's your serrated spool. Pretty standard American serrated spool. But then what is this guy? What is this little bastard? Look at him. That's so weird. It looks like he's made of steel. Focus, you fuck. Thank you. Are those tips angled? A little bit? I think they might be. I don't know. Weird pin. I've never seen one of those in an American lock before. So that's new. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Bye-bye.